Hello and welcome to RUC Assistant from Valerie Parra and Mateo Leon. First, we can register. Then I have to log in and I can create a first aid kit, see first aid kits, see the uses of first aid kits, assign first aid kits per month, see employees, and create employees. So first, I'm gonna create a first aid kit called Essential. And as you can see, it creates in the verbo to tienes. Now I'm gonna create an employee. Then I can see it has created and it is here in the get employees, and I can delete it if I want to. So I can assign when I want an employee to do the revision for a first aid kit, an employee, and I can see, and then I can enter as an employee. And I can see my revisions with I have to do, so I can check it. I have to do this for everything. Now I can finish my revision, and it says I have no more revisions. I can also check that I use the first aid kit, which tells me my employee's first aid kit, and I can tell how many I used of it. And then if I go to the employee, I can see what they used, like how many items are they left after they used it, and same here. And I can also check the revisions of each, and I can also get it to its normal value, which would be every month. And that's it.